No, just add a funny background. You can just do a funny background or something. Where's that unicorn? Whoa, careful that frame will fall. They're taking the unicorn out.
That unicorn has fallen
Look at this yummy food.
right now.
Look how cool this thing is. Look at the size of the spider.
Get rid of it! Smash it! Smash it! That's a pig. Smash it! Hey, smash it, Jay. Smash it. It's scary.
He's not a black widow, so I'm not.
Is that a poisonous?
I don't think so.
Leon, look at that.
Whoa, no, crazy.
Centipede?
Jason, look at the centipede.
There's a centipede and a spider? Wow. Centipedes are very fun.
You're just gonna pet it. I want to film it
Next year,
somewhere.
you're going to be out at your new place?
Yeah.
Doing 4th of July.
That's really cool looking.
Yeah, we won't be able to do
Yeah, I think centipedes are poisonous for the legs. But why was I walking on the grass? Well, it's kind of hard.
Alright, let's put this.
Look at that yummy food. Is that yummy food?
Hi, baby girl.
I just want to film this.
Somebody's sunburned.
Yeah, I got a little pink today.
Where'd y'all go that you got pink?
The parade.
Oh.
Behind the scenes. Get up with that.
Floating. Well, I'm gonna try to get it for the money for this.
Oh yeah.
I just have to do like stunts and everything, or go fast, and you earn money.
Cool.
So I'm gonna save up for that. 'Cause that's gonna be. Can you choose this car?
Hi, this is Uncle Jeff. Uncle Jay. I almost said Uncle Jeff. I almost said Uncle Jeff. See what you guys did to me?
Yeah, I see.
I'm just hanging out at the barbecue at Leland's house. There's Leland right there. I just stowed the fireworks and I sold them. Got $800. But I heard word on the street is we still have fireworks somehow. Your dad somehow found fireworks.
We can just watch. Hey,
I don't know how we're gonna. I don't know how the plot's gonna be. We know this is all a
watch
skit. This is all a skit. I didn't really steal the fireworks. Maybe.
He would be the worst uncle if he did.
Yeah,
What does that do?
your dad would have killed me. I would not be alive right now. But yeah, so we're just hanging out here playing.
Oh, look at my
fun
classic,
games.
guys. Look at my classic.
That's Seth. Oh, nice.
That
That's
is
a classic
very
right
nice
there.
class. Do you want to see how much classics I have?
Yeah, let's see a classic
Watch
car.
me.
Wait, it's hard to film that way.
What's pretty classic?
Ooh.
Can you get a truck?
Looks like the guy on
5
the cars.
classic. Now that
That's not a
is-
classic. That's a
that's
Hummer.
that's a Lamborghini.
Wow,
Can you
Lamborghini.
destroy the cars on here? No,
Looks like a off-road
do you want
Lamborghini.
to?
How do you know that?
because then they get all. And this is never classic. Classic.
What's
What's
that
the
one?
fastest that you have?
It's like my old man just showed up.
No, those are only my barn finds.
if we can hold
These are all my cars I have. This. Every single time my mom or dad says, "Hey, get in the bed," I'm like, I don't want you. That is too shiny.
Leland is driving a Ferrari through the Australian outback.
You're sitting on giant. Oh, you got
Somehow the car is still good after all those crashes.
Shine that down cheese. Construction site. Can I try to go down the road? Hold on. Make it to the desk.
Got drunk babies.
No.
Kids, what are they doing? Jason and Seth. I don't know where they found that. Wheelbarrow. Looks like pee, doesn't it?
How about
Totally looks like pee.
old
Fireworks.
10 minutes?
10 minutes.
No way. 10 minutes until fireworks.
We got 10 minutes till fireworks.
Until fireworks.
Alright, these are cool fireworks. Let's see them in slow motion. watch it. This is crazy. These are the craziest fireworks ever. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Right behind. Oops. Other side. Where's my hand? Look at these.